Hello everyone, I'm Danny and I'm a medieval studies student. Today we're going to learn about Viking ships and what they were used for. The Vikings used their ships for lots of different purposes, including raiding, trading and exploring. In 793 the Vikings raided the monastery at Lindisfarne in Northumbria, the Anglo-Saxon kingdom in northern England, stealing gold and jewels and taking some of the monks as slaves. The Vikings sailed to Lindisfarne from their homelands in Scandinavia. In 865 the Vikings came to England again, but this time they wanted to stay and conquer the country. They conquered all of England except for Wessex in the southwest and North Northumbria, and ruled their kingdom, the Danelaw, from York. York became an important place for trade, and craftspeople made many different things, including gold jewellery and combs made from animal bone. Some of the goods made in York were sold to people in the Danelaw, but others were sold in other countries. Viking ships were used to take goods all over northern Europe. Some Vikings travelled further to trade in the Middle East, and others sailed down the rivers of Russia to trade with the Byzantine Empire in Turkey. The Vikings became very good sailors and explorers and also sailed to the north and west. They settled in Iceland in the 9th century and in Greenland in the 10th century. Leif Erikson, a Viking explorer, is thought to have reached America, and archaeologists have found a Viking settlement in Newfoundland in Canada. So now we've learnt about Viking ships, in the next video we'll make a Viking ship craft.